Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the base enclosure. Lift the power connector out of the cradle on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the power connector into the cradle on the base enclosure. Connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board. Route the power connector cable through the routing channel on the base enclosure.